Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little sound demo video today. It's to accompany one of our listings on our shop. This rather gorgeous, huge buffalo skin shamanic drum. Quite a lovely skin. Quite a lot of little tiny hair details on the front here. Turn it over. You can see it's got a branch handle. I've trimmed this with some leather. Laced with artificial sinew. It's on an ashwood frame. I've written that in there somewhere as well on the inside, ash and buffalo, so you've always got that reference point, along with my maker's mark there. And on this side I put birthed on the 7th of January 2023 in Knighton, Powys, UK. So that's to enable you to look at the astrological details for the drum, the energies that were around on the day when the drum. I'm going to play with 2 beaters. Start beater here. I'll change over and use the firmer beater about halfway through, so you can see the difference between the two. Either of these are available to purchase if you decide this is the right drum for you. So let's have a little play. Wind's picking up. I hope it's not blowing the microphone too much so you can hear what we're doing. This is a thermometer. Lovely deep tone. And this is quite a heavy drum. Obviously it's huge. It's a big 22-inch by 18-inch frame on here with a relatively thick skin, which does make it quite a heavy drum to hold for a long period. So that's something probably you need to be aware of as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when choosing your drum. It's very difficult online. So yeah, that's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.